Hi, this is Maat Khatib. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain to you how to properly display multiple pages in Microsoft Word in the correct order from right to left, especially with languages that are right to left languages like Arabic and Hebrew. This is especially important in ultra-wide monitors like the monitor I have. So the problem that I encounter is the fact that Microsoft Word displays the pages in reverse. So for example, this is page number 1 as you can see, and this is 2. Um, the way it is displayed now is in reverse. So Arabic is a right to left language, again, unlike English, which is left to right language, which means that page number 1 should appear on the far right and page number 2 on the far left. This becomes even more insisting when you have more than 2 pages in display, which an ultra-wide monitor allows you to do. The solution to this, which I really struggle to discover, is you go to File and then to Options, and then you go to Language, and here under Office Authoring Languages and Proofing, you select the language that you want the pages to be displayed in as the preferred language, and then you hit OK. Keep in mind that changing this option doesn't change the language of the interface of Microsoft Word. So you will still see insert, draw, design, layout, file in English, right? Here it just changes the way it accommodates certain languages like Arabic and Hebrew. So now after changing that option, we can see that the pages are ordered in the correct order from right to left. So this is page 1 and it appears on the far right, and this is page 2 in the far left. And if we zoom out, then we can have more pages in display, and they are again ordered in the correct order: 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that applies to other obviously languages as well.